This video will demonstrate how to purchase cryptocurrency on iOS and Android using the CoinBase app. CoinBase is a free app that can be found on the App Store and Google Play. Download and launch the app to create an account. Continue with the account creation and verification process. You will be asked to link a credit card, debit card, or bank account. Select the cryptocurrency you wish to purchase and choose the buy option. Enter either the amount you want to buy or the amount of dollars you wish to spend. Coinbase will automatically fill in the other field. Tap Buy, Confirm, and your order will be processed. Soon you will be able to see your balance reflected in your Coinbase wallet. To sell cryptocurrency for your local fiat currency, tap Sell and enter an amount. Sell, then Confirm. Once finalized, you will be able to see your balance reflected in your fiat wallet. To send tokens out of Coinbase, either to a wallet or another exchange, tap Account and select the currency you wish to transfer. Tap the paper airplane icon located in the top right corner, enter an amount, and hit Send. Now enter the recipient's public address and send. Always remember to copy and paste addresses and double check. One mistyped character will result in the loss of funds. This is your wallet's public address. Use this for receiving tokens. Coinbase will generate a unique public address for Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, and Litecoin. Be sure to use the correct address for each currency. For example, sending Bitcoin to an Ethereum wallet may result in the loss of funds. This has been Digital Asset Tutorials. Thanks for watching.